just stop. I know you've been scouring YouTube, watching curl routine after curl routine, looking for one, just one that actually works for your hair. Well, you're in luck. You actually just found it. Hey YouTube, I'm Kozact, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to turn any and every hair texture or type into beautifully hydrated curls that's going to get you all the girls. Bro, what? Fellas, you know ladies love a guy who knows how to take care of his hair. When your hair looks moisturized, she's going to give you the hard eyes. Now, if you're looking to get curly hair and can't seem to find a solid solution, I'm here to actually give you one. I can guarantee you curly hair and guarantee you results, but you have to follow this video step by step and watch this video to the very end. Now, this is a very quick and very simple morning curl routine that you can do first thing in the morning when you wake up. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes and you're straight out the door. When I was younger, I used to scour the internet and YouTube to try to find some sort of solution to actually get curly hair. I tried everything from different hair products to different curling methods. I tried hair sponges, I tried various other things, but nothing seemed to actually work. If you're having the same issue and you're just looking for a guaranteed way to have popping, noticeable curls for any hair type, here's how. Hold on, before we get into the routine, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications. I make videos on hair care, skincare, fitness, fashion, health, you name it. I make videos on it. So go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications if any of that interests you at all. And go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Go ahead and leave this video a like. I know that you're enjoying it already. You're going to enjoy the video. Go ahead and leave it a like. You're going to forget later on, so go ahead and tap that like button. Now, a quick disclaimer, something that I just didn't understand and couldn't wrap my head around when I was younger is that not everyone's curl pattern and curls are going to turn out the same. So you might see somebody or you might know someone who has just really popping curls and you really like the way that his hair is curled or this person's hair is curled. Just keep in mind that his curls are not your curls. So his curls might come out differently than yours. Same thing with mine. The way that my curls might come out might not necessarily be the same way that yours come out. Yours can come out even better than mine, or yours can come out kinkier or longer. It's all dependent on your genetics and your hair type and hair texture. But I can guarantee you that everyone has some sort of curl pattern in their hair, so I can guarantee you that you will be able to get your hair to curl. I just want you to keep an open mind going into this video that you can switch out products. You do not only have to use the products that I use in this video. If you have a product that works for you, you can feel free to use that product if you know it's already working for you and it works well. Or if you just don't have any idea on what to get, you can use the products that I'm using in this video. Now, with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Bro, oh my God. Alright, I'm looking kind of rough here, but that's okay. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put water in your hair. So you never want to manipulate your hair without having some sort of moisture in there. So you're going to go ahead and wet your hair, whether you use a spray bottle like I'm going to be using today, or you just hopped out of the shower. That's going to be perfect because you're going to want your hair wet. So I'm going to go ahead and be using a spray bottle. This is like a mist bottle, so it mists water into your hair. There's nothing in here but water, so go ahead and I'm gonna wet our hair here. Try not to wet the camera. You want to get a good amount of moisture into your hair. You want to get a good amount of water in there. You don't want to soak. I wouldn't say soak your hair, but I'd say definitely like something close to soak. Rest in peace to my eye. Alright, now we're going to work it into our hair.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Alright, so this is where we are. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finger detangle my hair. So I'm gonna just separate my hair a bit and finger detangle it. You can also, if you want to, you can pick or comb your hair. I don't really like using picks as often, so I'll usually just pick my hair like one side of the week. So what I'm going to be doing here is just finger detangling it, since I already pre-detangled my hair. So we'll just be doing this.
Bruh, why is he smiling, bruh? I swear he's such a weird character. Extra sketchy. Just look at him.
Bro, what even is that? Alright, so this is what we're working with. Now that you went ahead and wet your hair, now we're going to go ahead and apply our products. This is what I've been using lately. It works well for my hair. It's a thicker conditioner, so it helps me to manipulate my hair a little bit better than like lighter weight conditioners. My hair requires a lot of moisture, so I put a lot of moisture in it. So just keep in mind, again, remember all of this is subjective, so, or subjective. I think I used that word right. So you can mix and match, add or remove whatever you need to gear this curl routine better towards your hair. So just keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and apply it. Alright, as far as the amount, I'm going to be applying a pretty damn good amount of product here. So this much. It's even nice and neat. I could be in a commercial. I could make a commercial for this. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. You're going to go ahead and rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. Get your fingers nice and crazy. We need crazy. We're going to go crazy right here, alright? So what I like to do is I like to try to get this as even as possible, evenly distributed through my hair as I possibly can. I also want to get this as deep into my hair as I possibly can. So what I'm doing is like going back to my fingertips, getting it back on my fingers, and then trying to get it into my hair. I'm not going all the way down to the scalp because this is not a scalp product, but it is for your hair. So I'm trying to get as even, as like deep penetrating as I possibly can. At this point, man, I don't even got nothing to say anymore, bro. Alright, you got it. Into my hair, so I like to try to manipulate it that way. Alright, once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and just try to work it across the top of my hair. And then you're just going to work it in. You're going to try to get this in as evenly as you possibly can. You're going to try to get this on every single last hair follicle you possibly can. So we're really going to work that in there. And keep in mind, what we're doing here is I'm keeping my hair straight. I'm keeping my hair, what's the word? Stretched. I don't know why I just forgot that word, but I'm trying to keep my hair stretched, so I'm not just doing this all like sporadically and crazy. I'm putting it in while keeping my hair stretched as it possibly can. The more your hair is stretched, the better your curls are going to turn out, so you want to try to keep your hair as stretched as possible. You're going to continue to finger detangle your hair. You're going to continue to try to separate these strands out. Okay, so boom. So this is what we're looking like. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna turn the light up here just a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better, if that helps. You can already start to see like my hair is already starting to curl a little bit. It's already starting to take form. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna apply a second leave-in conditioner. Alright, I don't think you guys can see this. So there it goes. Alright, so this is Alley K Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner. This is more of a lightweight leave-in conditioner. I feel like the Shea Moisture conditioner is a bit thicker. This is a lighter weight one. I'm gonna be applying this over the Shea Moisture's conditioner. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Oh, and it's a spray, so I think that's pretty cool. Instead of you having to put it on your hands, you can just spray it straight into your hair. I feel like that helps you to get it more evenly throughout your hair. I really hope the audio of this comes out good, because I feel like there's an echo in here, but whatever. Alright, same thing, you're gonna go ahead and work that into your hair. Keep in mind, you're still stretching your hair. You're still keeping your hair stretched. Alright, so after working that into my hair, you can start to see my hair again. You can see those curls taking form again. You can see my hair is already starting to get curly. Now it's actually for the moment of truth. So this is what I do to get my curls popping. I do something called the shake method. Now, before I even tell you what the shake method is, please don't overdo this. You can get a massive headache from this. So just chill out, alright? You don't have to go crazy. You can do it just like how I'm gonna do it here, right? So what the shake method is you're going to go ahead and shake your hair. So you're just going to spin your hair like this. You're going to shake it kind of, go forward and backwards. You're going to go left and right, and you're going to shake your hair. That helps your curls to naturally activate, and that's going to get your hair, your each and every strand of your hair to start to take its own curl pattern and own curl form. So it's just helping your curls to activate here. So you're just going to do this. So you're literally just shaking your hair. That's literally it. You're not going to overdo it, because trust, you're going to get dizzy and have a massive headache. But that's it. That's all I'll do is just that. And then I'll just stretch my hair one last time. And that's it. So now I'm just going to let my hair air dry. I don't recommend using a hair dryer. I recommend letting your hair air dry, so it's going to take a little bit more time. But that's going to be better for your curls, because it's not going to be straightening your curls, and it's going to let your curls stay kinky and coily. Your hair might not turn out like mine. Your hair might even turn out better than mine. Your curl pattern might be a little different. You might have a bit longer and more long.
Bro, speak English, dang!
Like more stretched out curls. Or you might have very, very tight knit kinky curls like me. Whichever way that your curls turn out, it's still going to turn out curly. You have to understand that your natural curl pattern is going to be your specific individual natural curl pattern. No one else is going to have curls just like you. So you have to know what your curls need. You have to know what your hair needs. Some hair types do better when it's longer. For example, mine. When I was younger and when I had short hair and I would try to get my hair to curl, it wouldn't work well. It only worked well for me once my hair started to get longer. So keep that in mind, that you might have to have longer hair to get your hair to start to look more curly. Or it might not be that case at all, and you just might have curls from the very beginning, even when your hair is shorter. But following this method, I can guarantee you that your hair will be curly. So I'm going to go ahead and let my hair dry, and then we're going to come back and we're going to see the full results here. Alright, so it's roughly been around 15 minutes. I allowed my hair to dry a bit. This is what we're looking like so far. Very loose and very vibrant, luscious curls right now. My hair isn't completely dry, but your hair doesn't need to be completely dry. So now this is going to be the last step, and this is actually a very, very important step to seal in all of that moisture and to keep your curls popping throughout the entire day, throughout the entire week. And that's going to be to actually apply oil. Now let's talk about oil options. So an oil that I've been using is rosemary oil, which is going to be this oil right here. I made this oil myself. If you want to know how to make rosemary oil, and what rosemary oil really does for your hair, you can watch my video here. But rosemary oil is a wonderful oil for your hair. It's going to help your hair to grow, and it's actually, in my opinion, one of the very best oils that you could possibly use. Besides rosemary oil, another really solid oil is going to be wild growth hair oil. It's basically just a bunch of different oils blended into one oil.
So let me show you guys how to apply it. You're gonna want to apply just a light coat here.
Now, the way that you want to apply it is not to disturb your curls that you got going on. You're going to very lightly apply it on each of these hair follicles here. You're going to try to cover it as evenly as you possibly can, but what you're seeing I'm doing here is I'm kind of just scrunching my hair. So I'm not really just going crazy and messing up the curls that we just laid out, that we just built here and we just made. So you want to just lightly cover it and make sure we get it as even as possible and work it into our hair there. Alright, and that is it. We have our finished product here. I'm going to give you guys a close-up, but yeah, let me give you guys a 360 of the curls here. See that they are popping. Here's the back. Boom. I'm going to turn around the other way so you can see. Here's the top here. Boom. And yeah, that's our finished product. You can see we have very loose and very vibrant curls. They can move, they can shake. But yeah, that is everything. That's the full video there. That's the full curl routine. If you did enjoy the video, go ahead and leave this video a like. And if this method worked for you, come back to this video and comment down below and let people know. And if you super enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a super thanks on the video. It's like leaving a little tip. And attached to that, you can leave a comment. If you have any personal questions for me, you can also leave a super thanks and attach a comment to it, and I will guarantee you a response. It also bumps your comment all the way up to the very top, so I'll guarantee that I'll see it. I'll guarantee you that I'll respond. I guarantee you that I'll thank you if you super thanks this video. And if you're new to the channel, again, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? You know that you enjoyed the video, so go ahead and like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications if you haven't already. And if you are wondering how I got my hair to grow this long and however long I growed it, if you like my hair growth, be sure to watch this video here and I'll be explaining exactly how I grew my hair and how long it took me and everything like that. But yeah, that is all the time that I have for you guys today. I'm Kozact and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.